seen lots of technology tonight, and lots of it being used in brilliant ways. But I want to make a little bit of a plea for that sometimes the lo-fi learning is actually better. So five very quick lo-fi learning ideas. Often you go to a teacher meet and tonight everything's been nicely ordered. Very often you find names out of a hat. It's not a hat, it's a virtual online name selector. Use classtools.net, or if anyone else uses it, you'll know the one I mean. It takes 7 seconds, I know because I've timed it, to draw a name out of there, which can be really good if you're looking for effect. But sometimes you need to be a lot quicker than that. A lot of the ideas I'm about to refer to, did anyone see the documentary last year, a quick tangent, the classroom experiment with Dylan William? Did anyone see that? It's on YouTube, so I'll tweet the link in a minute. If you haven't seen it, it's 2 hours long, best 2 hours worth of CPD, best kick up the backside I've had in a very long time, well worth watching. He talks about no hands up and use of lollipop sticks, or slips. Tried it this year, it works. Do that. Sometimes technology is brilliant, sometimes a slip of paper or a lollipop stick with someone's name on it is even better. Number 2, mini whiteboards. Use mini whiteboards? Anyone? Yeah, 1 or 2. We've joined the experiment at the moment. We're working with our MLAS service to provide, we're not doing whiteboards, we can't really afford them, but what we've got is we've got some word walls, some glossaries, some guidance, we're laminating them, and on the back, instant whiteboard. Hands up, no problems, but we haven't got to go to the expense. Lo-fi learning. Number 3, using the room for voting. So you set a yes, no, kids stand up, or kids move to either side of the room. If you get them moving to the other side of the room and you give them a slightly more contentious statement, you can use the whole of the space to explain your position. Completely agree, completely disagree. Well, I'm kind of here. And so-and-so's over there, and so-and-so. Once they're there, you can get them bouncing backwards and forwards, arguing backwards and forwards, get them moving over the course of the lesson. Use them to demonstrate their learning. Number 3, quick prop. Does anyone remember these? Yeah? Well, trying to fill a 4-hour revision day the other week, I found a thing that talked about origami learning. And we all made these. This is a giant version with 4 keywords on the outside to choose the number, 8 questions inside with the answers in the middle. And we used them as very specific factual pieces of information. Percentage of homes in the USA in 1927 with electricity was 68%. I know that because we did it on this. But for those students who sometimes struggle to learn the specific detail they will need in an exam, this is brilliant because they can play on the bus on the way home, those numbers, those answers stick. If you make one of these, you'll know that you need a square piece of paper. That leaves you with a slightly rectangular piece of paper, so you can have revision paper aeroplanes. Key fact on there. Ping it across the room, sorry. Someone picks it up, writes a connected statement, writes a date, adds something else, folds it up, pings it back again, and we get paper aeroplane revision going at one point. All these little things, lo-fi, got cookie, and they work. Finally, there's loads of websites now offering sticky note rules, and they're really good in some context. We ran a teacher meet last year in Swansea, we tried to use a sticky note rule, diamond backside, because it was the wrong technology for the wrong time. So on your tables, you've all got some old-fashioned post-it notes. I believe in a good plan. I mean, could you all please, to close, write one thing that you're going to take away from tonight's teacher meet and try out in your own rooms, and then use that fantastic space we've got at the back, just above the empty cups. Write one thing down, go and pin it up, I'll take a picture of it and tweet it when we're done. Thank you very much.